Hello everybody, this is Out of the Box Unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review cordless chainsaw. Due to safety reasons I will not assemble it with chain. I will just talk about it little bit, and honestly, about quality of the chain you could say something after using it, and not for 1 or 2 days but a longer period. It is so low kick saw chain in accordance with blah 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 blah. For those who work with chainsaws, it means something. For me, I have to admit, as I don't have it. I didn't have it before. It's not saying for me much. Okay, so this is regarding the chain, and okay. So what I can say, it's about quality, the first impression, how it's looking like, and compared to other Parksides Florabest, this looks very nice. Good plastic. I don't want to say premium plastic, but really good plastic. The weight of this saw is giving an impression that it's something that you have something good in your hands. It's brushless motor. You have to use some oil which is included. There is also the quality of this oil inside of the manual, so if you use it you can buy it in your nearest shop. What is worrying me mostly, it's battery capacity. I mean, it's 40 volts and only 2,500 milliampere hours. It's nice feature that you can check what is the condition of battery, but with my experience, that please notice 40 volts max. I will just take a closer look into the manual, because in Parkside other cordless devices, it's mentioned that the maximum voltage is just for the short period of time. It's not for long run. It's not mentioned here, but in other cordless you might see that, for instance, if you are buying 16 volts cordless drill, it's actually pointing that when it's 100% or 90%, you actually have those 16 voltage, but then it's decreasing to 14 for the whole other period. So actually I can assume that in this case will be similar, that 40 volts you will get only for the beginning, and for 80% of the battery you will get less. But I didn't find clear information in this manual, but I think I've got it right now. You may see 36 volts. So this is that's a working, in my opinion, working voltage that you have. Okay, let's plug in. With battery, it's heavier, of course. Why it's not working? One sec. It should be okay right now. The battery is charged, as you may see. I don't know what's going on. It's plugged properly. It's not working at all. Maybe there is some safety reasons. Maybe it needs to be assembled with chain. I don't know, but in my opinion it should work from the very beginning. Maybe it's lack of the oil, I don't know, but if you have any idea why it's not working without chain, please let me in the comment down below. I will be grateful for that, and also other viewers would get this information from you. Okay, so this is the chainsaw from Lidl from Flora Best. Thank you for watching and see you next time.